Now, in this morning's Health Conversations, our Kyrian Lee sits down with Dr. Rupa Shah, preparing you for your annual health checkup. They're reminding you mental well-being deserves just as much attention as physical health.
SSM Health family medicine physician and wellness coach Dr. Rupa Shah highlights the importance of including mental health in your yearly assessment. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So mental health really at the forefront, really important for us all. So why is mental health such an important issue to talk about in your primary care appointments?
Yeah. We want to know about your mental health when you come in. We want to know how you're doing mentally, because a lot of times your mental health can really even impact your physical health. So sometimes, let's say for instance, people come in with fatigue or headaches or abdominal pain. A lot of these sometimes can stem from these underlying symptoms of anxiety or depression. So the more we know about you as a total person, the better it helps us take care of you. So the mental health is really important to mention to your physician. If you're not doing well, speak up. We have so many resources that we can get people in touch with.
And I know some people may be hesitant to do so, may be hesitant to speak up. So what are some signs that someone should reach out for that mental health support?
Yeah, if you're feeling more depressed or down than usual, if your appetite is low, you're not eating, or you're finding that you're no longer sleeping well, you're waking up frequently at night, you're not motivated, you don't feel like being social or going out. These are all signs and symptoms of a more serious type of depression. Or with anxiety, you might have excess worrying all the time. This is the time to speak up, because again, we have resources, we have medications, and we want to know if you're struggling in any way, because we're here to help.
And I know oftentimes you may get those questionnaires asking you, how are you doing? How important it is to tell, how important is it to tell the truth on those?
Absolutely, 100%. We ask that at each and every visit, because we want to know and we want to make that a priority for your health.
I know it's very easy for people to maybe, make those answers a little different than what they're actually feeling, because they're afraid.
Right.
Yes. So what would be your advice to, encourage somebody to, be truthful on those?
Yeah. So remember, as your physician, we really want to form that doctor-patient relationship with you. So you need to feel that you can be open and honest with us and know that you can trust us, because we have your best interest at heart. And again, we have so many resources that we can offer and put you in touch with mental health resources that you may not know about, whether immediately at the appointment or at a later time. So yeah, definitely speak up and say something.
Very good. Yeah. And so how can viewers take simple steps to protect their mental well-being?
Yeah, again, it comes down to some of those basics we talked about, right? Yes. I would say at the forefront of that, though, sleep is super important. Making sure that you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. We know that dramatically can improve mental health. Good nutrition is always important, right? A healthy diet. And then just having people that you can lean on, that social network, people that can call, check in on you, that you can talk to, and that are just interested in what's going on with you.
All right, plenty of resources out there for everyone. Dr. Shah, before we go, where can we find you?
People can find me on Instagram at Wellness with Dr. Shah.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.